Yeah, I would experiment. What do you think of your cold ride right now? Duct tape's incredible. And you can stay this for the next 20 miles. Wait till you see this video of how we tested the strength of this thing. You're gonna love it. Highly technical. Wow.
Here we are at the Caribbean Championship Nude Regatta, trying to figure out how to build the best locally sourced whisker pole possible and the strongest duct tape. So we ran a very scientific test on key crew member.
Yeah, no, our hands clutching the rail.
Which duct tape has the greatest strength and stickiness? Test one.
Gorilla? Oh, what's it look like?
How many hairs? Count them up.
Oh, I see no hairs.
High density.
0. I've got gray. I got gray.
And in true,
Okay.
using true scientific method, you can't
Regular.
just have one test.
Yeah. Ow! Ow!
Only one.
Oh, look at these ratings.
It's hard to keep it down.
All right, so explain to me what you got going on here for your system here.
This would be a piece of rebar connected to a fiberglass, something we stole from the Borrow. What was it? Garden stake. Tied together with duct tape.
Very lightweight. Proper hose.
What we really need is a little more sail area.
I'll explain your pole setup. What do you got going on here?
An engineering marvel.
More duct tape, more better.
Off the duct tape there.
They don't call it 100-mile-an-hour tape for enough for a reason.
Are you pretty happy with your design?
Fair to middling.
Are you pleased with your pole?
Pleased with my pole.
Still like your pole design? You're good? Yeah! That's a pole. You gotta get the pad on the other side. Oh, you got it. So you got one leverage on the other side, Matt. A new pad. I think you should just sit on it. Put it between your crotches. Alright, then tell me about your pole design. It was locally sourced from a hurricane damaged